If you own a detailing business, you're trying to scale it, I just want to remind you, you really are like one big decision away from changing your business forever. I got this text today from one of the guys I work with, Nathan. He's been working with us for a few weeks, so not even a month yet. Today, he said his phone was blowing up while I was doing a detail. He booked $1,700 for the jobs. He's got another $800 pending. And that's just based on one decision. We tweaked his ad, made one difference, relaunched the ad. I mean, it wasn't doing terrible when he first launched it, but it wasn't the cost per lead we wanted. It was a little too expensive. One switch and bang, dude's, booking $2,000 in one day. You really are one decision away from changing your detailing business forever. We have a free ceramic scaling playbook if you're trying to scale your business with high ticket jobs, which is what I did, what I recommend doing. Check the link in like our bio or link in the description or whatever, and you can get it there totally for free. And it just breaks down the entire system that we implement into other detailing businesses. We have over 100 detailing shops that we're working with now. They're all scaling to 20K plus per month. And this breaks down everything from what ads to run, what targeting, how to sell on the phone, everything in between. But yeah, just don't overthink your detailing business. You're one real big decision away from changing your life forever. See y'all tomorrow.